obese has affected people due to the rise of high-calorie products, which comprise the majority of food that we eat almost every day. This results in the increase of people developing various health problems such as diabetes, hypertension, slow metabolism, coronary heart disease, and even cancer. There are more illnesses to mention and all rooted from being obese. Since obesity is hard to treat with exercise and dieting alone, obese people has opted to undergo bariatric surgery to remedy this kind of problem. First, let me talk about the definition of the bariatric surgery. Bariatric surgery is a type of surgery to help you to lose weight. It is a choice for some people who are obese or have not been able to lose weight with other methods. The healthcare provider might discuss bariatric surgery if the patient is morbidly obese or have another health problem such as diabetes, sleep apnea, asthma, and high blood pressure. Diabetes and certain other health problems may get better with weight loss. There are several different bariatric surgery procedures. The type of bariatric surgery that works best will depend on several factors. These include the patient's general health needs, and their own preference. However, the most common weight loss surgery that people choose to become one of the best options is a liposuction surgery. Liposuction is a surgical procedure that use a suction technique to remove fat from specific areas of the body, such as the abdomen, hips, thighs, buttocks, arms, or the neck. Liposuction also shapes these areas, and the other names of the liposuction includes the lipoplasty and body contouring. If you are overweight, you're likely to lose more weight through diet or exercise, or even through bariatric procedures such as gastric bypass surgery than you would with liposuction. In addition, liposuctions can sometimes be used for breast reduction. In other hand, when you gain weight, fat cells increase in size and volume. In turn, liposuction reduces the number of fat cells in the specific areas. The amount of fat removed depends on the appearance of the area and the volume of the fat. The resulting contour changes are generally permanent as long as your weight remains stable. After liposuction, the skin molds itself to the new contours of the treated areas. If you have good skin tone or elasticity, the skin is likely to appear smooth. If your skin is thin with poor elasticity, however, your skin in the treated area may appear loose. Liposuction doesn't improve cellulite, dimpling, or other skin surface irregularities. Likewise, liposuction doesn't remove stretch mark. To become a candidate for liposuction, you must have a good health without a condition that could complicate surgery, such as restricted blood flow, coronary artery disease, diabetes, or weak immune system.
There have been many advancements in bariatric surgery over the past few decades. With the introduction of new procedures, the risks have been reduced by significant margins. However, all surgeries, including weight loss surgery, still carry some risk. Even though liposuction is considered to be a quite complicated surgery, highly advanced technologies are indeed required. However, due to its fast results, many young women tend to opt for surgery in unreliable beauty hospitals. For instance, in 2013, Hanoi City Police said that it had executed an urgent arrest warrant for Dr. Nguyễn Mạnh Tường, director of Cát Tường Beauty Hospital, and his guard about murder. The thing is, this is an unlicensed beauty hospital. The victim is Nguyễn Thị Huyền. Mr. Tường used a 50cc syringe to suck 11 fat tubes from Huyền body, and then used liposuction to be injected into her breast. About 30 minutes later, Huyên showed signs of convulsions forming in the mouth. Not long after, when he discovered that Miss Huyên has died, fearing that the matter would be discovered by the authorities, Mr. brought Miss Huyên body to his car and asked his guard to bring the victim's belonging and throw it into Red River. The first one, physical and mental fatigue. Bariatric surgery is not magic, but it acts like a tool alongside diet and exercise. It is going to require hard work and daily commitment to living a new lifestyle full of healthy choices. It can be quite exhausting for some patients. Second, excess skin and body image. Many weight loss patients have expectation of looking a certain way after they lose weight, but in reality, they may feel like they look worse. The aftermath of quick weight loss, loose skin, stretch marks, sagging breast, may cause as much emotional distress as the extra weight did. There are many solutions offered today through cosmetic procedures that can alleviate and repair many of these issues. Multiple procedures are often needed and their associated costs may be high. Most cosmetic surgery centers offer financing that can help patients start the process.
The final one.
Hair loss. Some patients experience hair loss 3 to 6 months after bariatric surgery.
Really challenging time for me. I didn't realize how scary it was to lose weight. To lose hair. I experienced some pretty severe hair loss. After my fast, I lost about 70% of my entire hair.
This can come as quite a surprise and a shock if the patient is not expecting it. After any surgery, hair loss is possible because the normal growth cycle of your first follicle is interrupted.
Well, I think that this surgery is maybe the quickest or the most effective way to get fit for some people. However, in my point of view, liposuction is kind of dangerous as there remain some criminal situations that people die after using liposuction. Due to the fact that I'm a student, I cannot afford for that kind of surgery. I'm currently in a healthy diet, which I'm proud of losing 2 kilograms in only 2 weeks.
We'll tell you some more solutions to lose weight without carrying on the surgery. To avoid the risks above, I recommend some tips for you to have a healthy diet to lose weight without having to carry on a surgery. The first tip is to eat regular meals. Eating at regular times during the days helps burn calories at a faster rate. It also reduces the temptation on snack on foods high in fat and sugar. The next tip is to eat plenty of fruit and vegetables. Fruit and vegetables are low in calories and fat and high in fiber, which is 3 essential ingredients for successful weight loss. They also contain plenty of vitamins and minerals. The next tip is get more active. Being active is the key to losing weight and keeping it off, as well as providing lots of health benefits. Exercise can help burn off the excess calories you cannot lose through diet alone. Moreover, you can also drink plenty of water. People sometimes confuse thirst with hunger. You can end up consuming extra calories when a glass of water is really what you need. The next tip is to eat high fiber foods. Foods contain lots of fiber and can help you can be fuller, which is perfect for losing weight. Fiber is also found in some food from plants such as fruit and vegetable, oats, whole grain bread, brown rice and pasta, beans, peas, and etc. The next one is do not stock junk food. To avoid temptation, do not stock junk food such as chocolate, biscuits, crisps, and sweet fizzy drinks at home. Instead, opt for healthy snacks such as fruit, unsalted rice cake, oat cakes, unsalted and unsweetened popcorns. Moreover, you can also cut down on alcohol, which is really unhealthy for your health and can contribute to your weight gain. The final tips, it is very important for you, is to plan your meals. Try to plan your breakfast, lunch, dinner and snacks for the week. Make sure that you stick to your calorie allowance. You may find it helpful to make a weekly shopping list. My tips is to follow the Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet emphasizes eating good fats and good carbs along with large quantities of fresh fruits and vegetables, nuts, fish and olive oil, and only modest amount of meat and cheese. The Mediterranean diet is more than just about food, so regular physical activities and sharing meals with others are also major components. Whatever weight loss strategy you try, it's important to stay motivated and avoid many junk food as possible. So, after our vlog, I believe that you have received some useful information about weight loss surgery and its risks on our body. Instead of carrying on the surgery like that, which costs a high amount of money and the risks are considerable, I suggest that you should have a healthy diet with some tips to lose weight healthily with a lower price.